Welcome to the Supplier How-To video series, How to Enhance a Product Across All Distributor Skin Sites. Sourcing Machine runs hundreds of websites for distributors. You can get your products to the top of the search results on these websites by enhancing them. This will ensure that the end user sees your products first. To do this, first go to your dashboard and then click on Enhance Products on Distributor Skin Sites. Then select the product you'd like to enhance and the 3 keywords that you'd like to enhance it against. When these keywords are typed in, your products will appear at the top of the end user's search results. Choose the time period that you'd like your products enhanced for and click Add to Basket. If you'd like to enhance more products on Distributor Skin Sites, repeat the process. Once you've enhanced all the products you want to, click Invoice Me. We will then process your order and your products will be enhanced across all the Distributor Skin Sites. Thank you for watching.